Hey everybody, it is June 30th, 2023. It is the last day of June and it is also calculation day. So let's start off as always with the chart. Currently trading at 9.25 cents, $200 24-hour volume, 189 holders. We were up to 191 yesterday at one point. Had a few sells. Corporate wallet did its thing today at about 10:30. Right here, there's this block of cells right here. I think all different people. It's kind of interesting. So, had a couple buys here. Yeah, as long as the holder count keeps going up. I mean, we want the traders because they generate the tax revenue, right? Speaking of that, let's go to the MetaMask. We generated $659.08. I'm not really sure why this number's different. I think, you know how sometimes Tether is like slightly below $1 and slightly above $1? I think that's what that is, but that's a pretty big difference. I mean, that's like $1.50 right there difference. So whatever. But yeah, I believe if we withdrew it, I think it'd be $659.08. And go to Amazon. Today we already have some action on here. Have 4 buys so far. Yesterday was interesting. We actually have a negative $3.26 commission. I do see that happen once in a while. It's pretty rare. Usually it only happens when somebody returns a large item, and it looks like somebody returned about a $460 item. But that's alright, you know. We'll have days like that. Yesterday we had $64 in ordered revenue. And I think we're already above that today. Yeah, because there's 42, 56. Yeah, we're at like nearly $100 ordered revenue already today. And if you guys don't know, if this is your first time watching, for the Amazon stuff to count, you need to go to the royaltyholdingtoken.com main page, click on the link tree. That'll take you to all these links, and you just click on this Amazon affiliation. Excuse me. Amazon affiliation. This will take you to the Amazon homepage. The only difference is that it is now connected to our affiliate link, so we will earn commissions on that. Alright, YouTube. YouTube did deny our appeal, and I think I know why. So to appease them, I just went ahead, got rid of all the music that we own, unfortunately. I mean, realistically, it wouldn't have generated much revenue on here anyway, because music pays so little, so we're better off just not even having it. So I got rid of all the music. I also got rid of any content that they feel we took from other channels, which was like 2 or 3 videos that are posted elsewhere. We own them, but they're posted on other YouTubers' pages. So I got rid of all those, and we should be good to go next time we're able to get monetization, which unfortunately we're not allowed to reapply for until September. So, I mean, it sucks, but if we started a whole new channel, it would probably take us until late August, early September to get to the point where we could even apply. So, I think we're better off just growing this channel and waiting. It sucks, but it is what it is. I have no control over it. So we hit all the check marks this time around. So Yeah, come September we should be good to go. I don't think there's any reason that they should deny us in September, because all this stuff was on the other channel, but the other channel deleted it, so it should be ours now. Yeah, I don't see any reason why they would deny us this time around. So sorry about that, guys. Little hiccup, but we'll get through it. All right, let's go to the Robinhood. Currently at $19,200. I mean, we've just been on fire this week. Yeah, $2,000 this week, 13%. So it looks like for covered calls, we'll probably end up keeping Robinhood, although it is really close. It could go either way. Norwegian Cruise Line looks like we're going to probably let that go, because I think I checked yesterday. If we were to roll this, let's see, we're at a $19 call. Yeah, if we were to roll this, we'd be at, yeah, we'd literally get $4. To me, it's not worth it. Just let it go. We're in the profit there. Yeah. So we've sold a couple covered calls, so our average is actually less than that, so we're at a profit. I think our last covered call was, yeah, we sold 28 and a 35, so yeah, we're below 19 average. We're at about 1870 for an average now. So either way, we'll make money on it. We'll use the Norwegian Cruise Line money to go into United Rentals. However, I am kind of having, I don't know what to think about United Rentals, honestly, because, I mean, I feel like they've gone up just so much. I mean, look, we bought at $4.15 just a few days ago. When was our last buy? Alright, so our last buy was 2 days ago, 3 days ago, at $4.23. And then we bought the day before that at $4.16, and a couple days before that at $4.03. So, I guess where I'm going with that is, I do feel like eventually this run has to stop. You know, I feel like we're kind of going to have a situation like this where we're probably peaking, and then it's going to go down to probably the 400s. So I don't know if maybe we want to sell this and come back on Monday. Maybe it'll dip down into the 30s or 20s. But at the same time, you know, if we're in this for the long run, I mean, we could just buy again. It would raise our average, but oh, I don't know. That's a tough call, because I would like to capture that profit there. Would also be nice to be able to sell covered calls, because look at that, $400, $660, $790. I mean, if we have an average of, say, after we're done buying in, if we have an average of, say, 425, I mean, look at that. We could sell a $2,100 covered call. Probably wouldn't want to, but I don't know. I don't know. I'll do some thinking on that. It's a tough decision. I just gotta think about what's best for the portfolio and for the holders as a whole. Would be nice to capture that profit, and then I guarantee on Monday it's gonna go down a little bit. Probably gonna go down $10 on Monday. But you know, even if it goes down $10, that's still way above our average. I don't know. So it wouldn't really make sense to buy back in above our average. Yeah, I'll think about that for a while. Maybe consult with somebody else to see what maybe the best course of action would be in that situation. I mean, either way we're winning, right? So we can't really make a bad decision. It's just we got to think of long term what the best decision is. Anyway, done ranting with that. We have $8,720 in buying power, and that tax wallet will come over here today, so we'll have like 90. Oh no, it doubles it, so we'll have about $10,000. Yeah, $10,000 in buying power. All right, so let's go to the master book real quick. Currently ending the month with $77,781 under assets under management, which is up from $69,900 in 1st of June. So really nice climb there. Portfolio, we currently have Goldman Sachs at 50% of the portfolio, Robinhood at 2%, Norwegian Cruise Line, which will be going away, at 3%, United Rentals at 34%. This uninvested cash is not quite right, but says here we actually have 8,700. This says 7,600. And I updated the silver bullion price. We're currently at $22.65 per ounce for $67.95. And that is a 0%. I will probably get that up to like 1%. Like I said in a previous video, I don't really like silver and gold because it doesn't pay any passive income. But there were a group of people that are holders, and I always have to think about what's best for the holders. And if they want silver and gold in the portfolio, then we should do silver and gold. But I am going to keep it down to one, maximum like 2% of the portfolio value. And it looks like we have 12% in cash, which is, let's see. Oh yeah, we have 197 in crypto. Okay, so cash, we're exactly where we want to be. Royalty assets, we're double what we want to be, and stocks are a little higher than we'd like to be. We do have a bunch of opportunities to buy some more royalty assets. I will put those up for votes as well as links and everything to that. Alright, so rewards calculation. We had $237.57 come through with AdMob, which is down from $261 last week. Tomorrow I will start showing the AdMob and AdSense accounts, since now all the numbers line up. And there's no ifs, ands, or buts about what happened, and I've already explained what happened. There's a 10-day window where we didn't pay to SHIB or to RHT, so there's a little bit of there's basically a couple $100 in there that are unaccounted for, but I wanted to have clear-cut lines where this day we stop SHIB and this day we start RHT, and there just happened to be a 10-day gap there. So whatever, that I think it was $200 difference ended up going to the portfolio anyway, so it's not a big deal. AdSense, we're at 341, which is down from last week. Amazon, we're at $70, which is up from last week and slightly down from the week before that. No associate revenue this week. $250 in Goldman Sachs dividends. No interest, no MEXC, no miscellaneous, no music royalties. Stocks, we did $522. Upside, we did $7.34, which is, I believe, an all-time high. This one doesn't really count because this is like a month's worth of buildup, and then this is when I started doing every week. So this is an all-time high. And the stocks are actually an all-time high by almost $100. YouTube, we're at 270. This will probably be the last week we get any revenue from YouTube. Actually, I didn't even check. Did we get... We might have had a little more come in. Nope, $0. Alright, so YouTube is done paying us till September. Alright, so total collected $1,093.54, which is an all-time high. RHT tax collected was $659.08, which is actually an all-time low. I would love to see this tax revenue get up, just so we can build the portfolio. Payout, all-time high, $546.77. Beat the previous record by $2. But hey, a record's a record. Alright, congratulations everybody. Rewards will be paid out on Sunday as always. Hope everybody has a good weekend. Thanks. Bye.